In order to create a YouTube channel, you need a Google account because if you go to YouTube, you won't see sign up button. You will only see sign in option, and that's because YouTube is an integrated service for Google users. You might already have a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you may visit gmail.com and sign up for a free Google account by clicking on this Create an Account button. On the next screen, you need to enter your basic details like first name, last name, username, password, and enter your password again for confirmation. Once you have filled out all the details correctly, click Next, and then Google will ask for your phone number for verification purposes. Alright, now we have created a brand new Google account, so we are ready to create a YouTube channel. Simply go to youtube.com in your browser and sign in using the same Google account you created just now. Once you are logged into YouTube, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner, and from various options choose YouTube Studio. Now YouTube will ask you to enter your channel first name and last name here. But don't do that. Instead, click the link here that says use a business or other name. This is important because it allows you to create a brand account for your YouTube channel, and I highly recommend you to create brand account as it will prove to be beneficial in managing your channel later when your channel will grow. Now here you need to enter your brand account name. Choose something that resonates with your brand. For example, if you are starting a channel about food recipes, choose something like Delicious Foods, Foodie Girl, or like that. I think I don't need to tell you that. You may also enter your own name if you want to make your YouTube channel with your name. Choose whatever you think is right for you and then click the Create button. Congratulations! Now you have created your YouTube channel. But since you haven't yet set up your channel, therefore it looks ugly. So click on Customize Channel button and let's customize it to make this YouTube channel beautiful. First we need to add a channel icon. So click on the pencil icon here and then click Edit. Now upload a photo which you will show up as your channel logo icon. I'll choose this one, and although this is larger in size, but I can resize that on the next screen. Alright, now the picture is uploaded and here we can resize and crop the image so that it looks beautiful in small screens as well. After you made the required adjustments and you are ready to proceed, click Done. Alright, the profile icon is uploaded to our brand account, but if we switch to previous tab, we won't see it even if we refresh it, and that's because it may take up to 5 to 10 minutes to show up here on YouTube. So let's make the best use of that time by adding a channel art. Channel art is like the cover pic that you upload on your Facebook profile. So click here and choose the image that you want to use as channel art. It's worth noting that the recommended image size for YouTube channel art is 2560 by 1440 pixels and a maximum of 6 MB as file size limit. I have already got this dummy image, so I'll choose this one. Once the channel art is uploaded, YouTube will show you a preview of how your channel art will look like on desktop, TV and mobile. If you want, you may adjust it further, and if that is okay, you may proceed by clicking the select button. Alright, now your YouTube channel is created, and since we are setting up your YouTube channel, we have already uploaded a nice channel profile icon and channel art. Next, click on About and go to About section of your YouTube channel. Here, add the channel description. Write something that describes your channel and click Done to save it. You may also add your business email, which will be important if you want to allow people to contact you for business inquiries. Next, choose location and then click on links. Here you get options to add various links to your business. For example, you may add your website or blog URL, your Facebook profile URL, Twitter, Instagram and more. But it's worth noting that you may only show up to a maximum of 5 URLs. So choose the one which are most crucial for you. Finally click Done and your YouTube channel is ready. But wait, we need to verify the YouTube channel first so that we may use all the features of YouTube. If you don't verify your YouTube channel, YouTube will put some restrictions for your channel and video upload length. So click on the settings cog icon and then go to advanced settings. On the left menu area, you will see a status and features under channel. Click on that and then click on verify button. Now select your country and choose the preferred method, whether you want a verification code with an automated call or a text message on your number. Then enter your phone number and click submit. You will get a verification code on your phone. Enter the 6-digit verification code here and click submit. You will get a success message saying, "Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified." So that's how you can verify your YouTube channel. Now click continue and you are ready to upload your first YouTube video. You may click on this upload button and choose from two options whether you want to go live on YouTube or upload a pre-made video. Since I have already created a video, so I'll choose it and upload on this YouTube channel.